Welcome to our MAP technical videos. In this video, we'll review the articulation and process table as well as the articulation search. Depending on what role you're logged in as, the filter by stage for this table will adjust to that role. So currently logged in as the ambassador, the filter will display all. If I was logged in under a different user role, I would see a different filter applied. You can select this toggle to view any denied articulations, or you can change the automatic way that it sorts. If you'd like to search by exhibit ID, you can do that here. And down below, you'll notice a few different buttons. This delete button is only accessible by the ambassador and the initiator to remove articulations. If you're in a specific role where you have the ability to approve or deny articulations that are in your stage, you will see an approve or deny button here as well. Select this button to view the course record. You can print or export the table or refresh and clear any filters. Down below, we have two different parts of the table. The first portion here shows the course information from your college. So we have the subject, Accounting 55, Applied Accounting and Bookkeeping. You can filter by any of these columns by selecting the three dots to the right. As we scroll over, if your curriculum is shared with other colleges, you'll see different letters here, different letters indicating the different colleges, and a little check mark or an X depending on if that course is shared. The faculty users who are assigned this discipline will display here. And to the right of that, you'll notice initiator, faculty, AO, and implemented. These are the different stages, and this is telling me that for this course, Accounting 55, there are no articulations within the initiator, faculty, or AO stage. There are two in the implementation stage, and there are two total articulations for this course. Scrolling down, the other piece of this table that you'll see is more information on the exhibit and the credit recommendation that is associated to that course. You'll see the type, whether that's an occupation or course, the stage that it's in, showing for this one that it's in the implementation stage, the exhibit ID, team review date, exhibit date, occupation, and title. To the right of that, you'll see any notes for the articulation, who it was articulated by, what the source is, whether it was ACE or MAP, who the last submission was by, and the date. You'll also see here the stage matrix. So right now you see all of these checked off because this has been approved in every stage. You can see details about this specific articulation by selecting View Detail to open up all of the articulation notes. It will show you the course information, including the student learning outcomes, the exhibit information, any notes, and the audit trail. If you're looking just for the audit trail, you can select this box here and select Audit Trail to view just the audit trail information. For this example, we said there are two different articulations for this Accounting 55 course, and if we scroll down, you'll see two different credit recommendations with two different IDs, and these are the two articulations that are associated with that Accounting 55 course. That's the basic overview here of the articulation and process table, and I'm going to show you now the articulation search. Up to the left in the main menu, select Articulations and Articulation Search. This brings you to another table that will display all of the articulations at your college. If you have a district, you can look based on your district for the articulations. You can search by specific exhibit IDs, and you can search by the statuses, disciplines, course numbers, course titles, ACE ID, stage, team review date, exhibit dates, titles, the units, any notes, or credit recommendations. And in the same way that you could view details before, you can also select this edit button to see the details of the articulation. This is a great way if you're looking to export this list. You can select either the Excel or the PDF in order to export all of your information about your exhibits. If you selected any of these columns and you wanted to refresh or clear any filters, just select this refresh button here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the bottom right, the help chat. We'd be happy to assist.